Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna tell you that how you can remove the background of any photo in your iPhone for free. So before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video for more interesting tutorials. So first of all, open up the Safari browser, then click on search bar and type remove.bg and click on go. Now you will be directed to this site. All you have gonna do is to click on upload image, then click on photo library, and then select any of the photos that you want to remove the background and click on done. Now your photo will be uploaded on this site, and this site will not make the quality of your photo low, and it will give you the photo with the same quality that you will provide the photo to it. And now the background of your photo has been removed successfully without any cost, free of cost. So now you can easily click on download and your image will be downloaded. So that's how you can remove the background of any photo in your iPhone without giving any money. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.